Hey guys, welcome back. So Samsung's flagship killer Galaxy S21 FE is around the corners. Finally, the company has decided to launch this smartphone early next year. Although it could have launched in October 2021, but due to the ongoing global chip shortage, it wasn't quite possible at the time. So in this video, we will talk about the launch date and some of the features of the device. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe to get more daily updates and give a like if you enjoy watching this video. Now, there are multiple resources who have just confirmed the launch of the phone will take place in January 2022 during the CES event next year. It is quite possible that the S21 FE will gain same level of popularity as its predecessor S20 FE got last year. On the other hand, talking about the overall looks and design, the smartphone offers pretty much similar design to S21 and S21 Plus, which definitely looks better, but it will come with a plastic bag which doesn't look cheap at all. The phone will also have a punch hole for the selfie shooter on the front and offers a 6.4-inch display with 1080p resolution, Super AMOLED panel and 120Hz refresh rate. So the display will be the best in this price range. Of course, Samsung is well known for its display, so there will be no issues in terms of quality. Snapdragon 888 chipset will provide amazing performance, so it can handle every normal day-to-day task, and also users can enjoy playing heavy games like Call of Duty on high settings with high FPS on this phone. On the back of the phone, there will be a triple camera setup, a proper camera setup which has a main sensor of 12 megapixel with optical image stabilization, 8 megapixel telephoto zoom lens which can also go up to 3x optical zoom, of course come with an OIS, and the last sensor is also a 12 megapixel ultra wide for the wide angle shots. The front has a selfie shooter of 32 megapixel sensor in a tiny punch hole cutout. So it looks like these camera sensors are the same like we have on the Galaxy S20 FE, but yeah, offers really good quality images and videos, so no issues here. Now under the hood, the Galaxy S20 FE is powered by a 4500 mAh battery size which support 25 watt fast wired charging, 15 watt wireless charging and 4.5 watt of reverse wireless charging. There will be an under display fingerprint reader, obviously not the premium ultrasonic like we see on the Galaxy S21 series, but yeah, it will do the job done. At last, talking about the pricing, the handset is expected to launch at a starting price of $649 for its base variant, 8GB 128GB, and can go up to $750 for the top end model, which will come in 12GB RAM and 256GB of storage. So there you go guys, the Galaxy S21 FE launching next year at best price and offers great specs. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question related to the smartphone, and if you end up liking this video, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to get more daily updates. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.